We're here at the WallSmart booth, and I'm going to show you what's cool. These guys help make our accessories less noticeable. So they let us recess them into any kind of a wall or surface, be it drywall, a wood panel, a marble backsplash. They help us hide it and make it look discreet and make the home just the technology blend in. So here's kind of how it works. You've got the back box that you put in. You put this in before drywall. And you can see it here. This is the best example ever. So this is screwed in. Then you can see they put the 1/2-inch drywall up next to it. And then they put a thin layer of mud just to kind of blend up to the ring. And then the skim coat and paint. And that's how you get it flush. But construction never goes perfect, as we learned. So what have they come up with? Oh, yes, please. There are 4 adjustment screws on their new models that let us fine tune this. So if the builder gets a little bit too much drywall on here, or say they put a different type of tile on than they planned on, and this is recessed a little bit, we can use these adjustment screws to get it up just nice and flush. And if you've got something, we'll show you here on the other side, if you've got a place where it's just not something you want to go that overboard with, but you still want it to look nice, you can still get a system that you can put in, either retrofit, or you can give them the exact size of this hole to put into like a marble backsplash, and then it has a nice trim kit. So it's almost flush. It's just got a few millimeters here for the trim kit, but it looks super clean. Now this is the product that stopped me. This is really cool and excites me. This is their accent point box. It's cool. Okay, it's got a magnetic lid, but inside there's a magnetic backplate, so I can put my screw on my access point, snap it in any way I want. Inside this box that we put in at pre-construction, there are 5 keystone jacks. So I can run all my network, fiber, whatever you want, you can run in and out of this box, and there's place for power. So you can get anything you need to into this box. It's commercial grade. You put your access point up in here, snap the lid on, and it disappears. Let me show you up here. Right up here, they've got a big Netgear access point. Boom, hidden out of sight. You put this thing on, the only thing you put this thing on, the only thing you see are some little vent holes. It just looks amazing. And then people always want in a house to hide the access points. Let's put it in the pantry. Let's put it in the garage. Let's put it in the exterior shed. I don't want to see it. How about we put it in the middle of the living room where you want your Wi-Fi to work and hide it? All right, this is a demo board showing the new product I was talking about with the adjustment screws. So you just can't always plan for perfect. So if you're putting up a rock wall, a cement wall, stucco, or even drywall with a heavy texture, you can put this box in and adjust it so you can get the best or the closest to flush finish. It looks super nice. And then of course they still have the old school. I mean, Lutron makes as good a looking switch as you can get, but look at all of these, they never look better. And you can design this, you give your cabinet guy the exact CNC dimensions, he'll cut these out and it'll look amazing. But if you're a little bit gun shy about that, let us show you some videos of a project we did. We had a customer with a huge marble backsplash. And we told them we could give them the file and they could CNC and mill it just perfect, but it was a 15-foot by about 3-foot marble backsplash, and they did not want to risk it going wrong. So instead, we used the retrofit. So we gave them the size of the hole. They cut the hole, but it didn't have to line up perfectly where we'd put the box. So they could cut the hole, and if it was a little bit off, we can still pull the wire through. So you put the ring on, and it looks almost as clean, but the builder, the cabinet guys, everybody, it took a lot of stress out. So it's a great option. It's also a great option for retrofit. You can just cut in your drywall, pull the wire out, put in the retrofit kit, and you got a really clean looking system. That's why we like WallSmart. I should try that again. That's why we like WallSmart.
Yeah,